So here's a look at our Deliverable 2A by Cadet Adam Henderson and Cadet Joseph Allen. So here's a look at the code that breaks down the sentiment of each sentence. So for example, if you see number 0, it implies that the negative has the sentence has a negative correlation, whereas a 1 implies a positive sentence or a positive review. So we obtained this from the course website, and it's simple code, and we did this through all Amazon, IMDb, and Yelp reviews. Next, using the bag of words we were given, we sorted the data from most apparent to least apparent. So using the sum function in Excel, we were able to determine how often certain words appear in certain sentences. So for example, the word "the" appears 840 times in these reviews, and it is the most apparent word. So next, we were able to use a sum and if statement function in Excel to determine how often all the words in the reviews appeared in both positive and negative sentences. So using the sentiment breakdown that we were given, we were able to figure out how often each word appeared in both sentence types. So for example, the word "the" appears 439 times in positive sentences and only 401 times in negative sentences. And again, we went through and did this with all Amazon, IMDb, and Yelp reviews. And then we were able to go through and choose keywords that impacted the sentiment of the sentence. Words like good, great, love, or never, stupid, or waste. We were able to break down these influential words and determine how often they appeared in both positive and negative sentences for each type of review. Here's a look at a reg expression that creates a pattern for finding negative sentences rooted from the word "no." And here's a graphical depiction of our data for IMDb reviews. So as you can tell, it breaks down all the influential words and it tallies them up and reports how often that they occur in both positive and negative sentences. So the word "bad" appears over 65 or nearly 65 times in negative sentences and under 5 times in positive sentences. Here's a look at our graph for Yelp reviews. And here's a look at our graphical data for Amazon reviews.